how to move workflows from Sandbox to live on Netsuite. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to move workflows from Sandbox to live on Netsuite. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Netsuite website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on customization tab located in the top bar. Now click on Soti Bundler, then on create bundle. Here enter the bundle name and click on next. At bundle properties, write description of bundle. Scroll down and click on next. Here click on workflow under objects section. Now you'll be able to select the material. Then click on next. In preferences tab, click on save button. Now go for modify availability for your new bundle. Next, change the level to shared and unselect visible by all. Also enter you live production ID. Accordingly, click on customization tab, then on Sooty Bundler and search install bundle. Now enter your Sandbox ID and put location on Sandbox account. So that's how you can move workflows from Sandbox to live on Netsuite. That's all for this video.